Ignore the fact that my lips look like this. I be biting on them, they be getting dry. It's cold in the house. Let's ignore them. I cannot find my Vaseline. Anyway, hi guys. At first I was like, oh, I'll just go buy something specific and just make a video just on that, but I'm like, that's kind of boring. So we're gonna do a little artist vlog. We're gonna do a day in my life, which is more like an afternoon in my life because it's like 1 p.m. right now. It's also Friday and this video is supposed to be posted on Saturday, so that's gonna be fun to like speed edit. I have to leave the house because I have to go to ATM and then we're gonna go to Target. And I actually wanted to do the video of sketching like sea animals, which I've already started, but I'll get into that conversation when we get to that part of the video. But also I'm getting art supplies in the mail today. I already got one, but I'll just open them all together at the same time, which is supposed to help me with these watercolor paintings, which I'll show you right now that the sun's out. So this is the original version. Obviously, it didn't look like this before. I just started using this to test stuff on, but this is the idea of the painting. But I wanted to redo it because you can see how you see all the red. I sketched it in red color pencil thinking that I would be able to erase it mostly and not see it. I erased it, you can still see it. So I was like deciding for a minute, like, oh my gosh, should I redraw this? I redrew it. It came out pretty good. The torso might be a little long, but I'm not gonna fix it. So I got masking fluid to cover all the parts I want to keep white instead of just coloring it over in Posca pen marker. I felt like it'd probably be cleaner and a lot more contrasty, a lot more punchy if I just intentionally left those parts white rather than going back in to recolor those parts in white. But I'll put a picture here of what I want it to look like, kinda. I can't decide which version. And then I think we're just gonna sketch today. One of my friends is doing a subathon on Twitch, so I think I'm just gonna chill and watch this subathon. I also need to clean my room, so we're gonna leave the house because I know if I don't leave the house now, I won't leave it until later because the sun sets at 4 and I don't really like to leave the house when it's dark out. So we're gonna leave the house now. Okay, we're in Target. All right, and I have from this series, but I don't think I want to get this one again because I don't want the chance of getting the same thing. Like I have that one, but like what if I get something different? And these ones are cheaper. The diner ones are more expensive. I kind of want the diner ones. I think I'm like good at the diner ones, but there's so many of these ones. I think I might get, ooh, I'll get one. I get one. So my outside trip got cut short because men want to men. So I didn't even get to go to the ATM. So I'm gonna open my package. I already opened one of them because I thought everything was in here and it's not. So I got these paint brushes and I'm gonna use this to paint the masking fluid in, and I'm also gonna use this for my India ink painting. And then I had also gotten, they're sending everything in the individual package. I thought this had both my masking fluid and I got a new kneadable eraser. Because if you watch my desk tour, I talked about how my kneadable erasers are hard now because it wasn't in a case. Anyone let me know if you can undry out kneadable erasers because these erasers are hard. Because I bought them in bulk and I didn't know that you had to keep them in a container. So they're like hard. I got a kneadable eraser. I opened them because I thought I had it all, but I don't. So we're gonna get our masking fluid later. Which I didn't realize how useful kneadable erasers are and how much I was missing out no longer having it. This is not the brand I had before. Before I had Prismacolor. This is Lyra. It was $5. It comes in a container, which is nice. Hopefully the masking fluid comes before 10 o'clock so I can use it. When I went to Target, this is what I got as my period snack. Usually I would get cherry licorice, but we're trying to eat healthy again. So I got something that is sweet, and they're actually, I will not say that they're as good as real candy, but they're still pretty good. And I can eat this whole bag and not feel bad. But if you're a real sour person, like you really like sour candies, which I really like sour candies, and it's good, but it's not sour. I think a lot of the sour comes from the sugar. And then I only got one mini verse, make it mini thing, and I got this one from the diner set. The diner set's more expensive. The diner set was $10. But I used my $5 birthday thing, but it literally only saved me 66 cents. I'm debating on if I should open it right now so I can know what I got, or if I should just wait until we build it. I kind of want the burger. I'm just gonna open it now. I need dopamine. I wish they weren't so wasteful though. Is this one already open? Oh no, I think I got the ice cream Vanilla custard, so the ice creams are in here. I should have got something to eat when I was at Target. It's because I need to eat or it's gonna make my period pain so much worse. Bread's in my seat. I'm gonna have to. Sometimes I can get him moved to
what does that even imply?
The other seat. We're gonna see if he moves. I don't think he'll move on camera. Come on, mister.
I lost a picture of my day.
Move to the other seat.
Can someone send me?
Yeah.
No, this can't.
I just made. It's gonna look crazy. Some mashed potatoes and hot dogs. As y'all can hear him in the background, I'm about to watch my friend on Twitch. And then when I come back, we gonna be cleaning up my desk. I don't know why I didn't just say that like normally. I'm gonna clean my desk. Okay. I made these Mario stars. I kind of want to get UV resin to cover them, but for now I'm just gonna put them in this jar. My twin got me this Dominic Fike magazine and I didn't want to mess it up, so I put it in the frame for now. Sometimes these guys get all knocked over. I'm pretty sure my cats knocked them over. I'm gonna grab my snacks. And I forgot to say this earlier, they delayed my package. It's not coming until tomorrow. The one thing I needed, I could have lived without the eraser or the paint brushes. I needed the flat masking fluid. I feel like I'm having a pretty good day. It just goes. So I have my 2 Mickey Mini foods. So I don't have, I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to have a knife or something. And I do not have it. This is the plate that it comes with. We have sour cream and we have some chives. Take one of the potatoes, and the potatoes are filled with like, I don't know, it's squishy. I know it's squishy. I'm more or less just gonna try to bust it open a little. He's also playing Facade right now. If y'all remember, Facade's like a really old ass game, flash game, where you were trying to get this girl to cheat on her husband, I think. So I'm just gonna try to do one at a time. So we're gonna just take some of this resin like this. Now it just looks weird. It doesn't really look like sour cream. To be honest, I don't even know what sour cream looks like on a baked potato in full. This is a lot. To be honest, this is a lot of sour cream to put on your baked potatoes. And like, no judgment, you know? Like, no judgment at all. But I feel like that's a crazy amount of sour cream to put on. So then we're gonna open our chives. I just spread some of it on top so that I can do this. Will I die if I get resin on my hand? Dump the rest into this. I'm gonna scoop this. The potatoes with the chives on it. It's probably the least like exciting one to make. What is there? Holder thingy, the cones, syrup, and sprinkles. We're gonna open up the little ice cream. He's in custard. What's the difference between custard and like ice cream? You know, squeeze this bitch in there. I wonder.
Hey guys, I literally killed 3 people. We fight back there.
And cover it in sprinkles in here and cure it. And then I want to grab this one, and I think I'm gonna try to just like drizzle it, and then I just gonna want to stick the sprinkles only to where the resin is. All the sprinkles are now out of the jar. Oh, my battery is dying. Okay, so yesterday I finished coloring this up house, which basically all I did was like the balloons. I could add more balloons so I fill up more of the page up here, which I think I might do. That's why I left the markers out. And then I started this sketch. Also say it's too bright. I started this sketch. I'm not done with it. I'm gonna finish it today probably. I did these dumplings down here. This octopus and this starfish, which is not like a starfish, but I looked up a picture of starfish. This picture was there, so I do this and I do this octopus. I'll tell y'all, I'm currently just sketching in a 2H pencil just because I want it light, and then I'll go through and darken what I want to darken with some darker, with the 2B and a 4B. Ooh, but this now means I can open my kneaded eraser. Okay, it's open. And it is soft, it's kneadable. It's not gonna look perfect, but it's good enough, I think. That's good. I should have probably drew both sides at the same time, but it's fine. I've been watching a lot of Kitchen Nightmares on YouTube, and I've been having so much fun watching it. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, this is definitely not the best headphones. And this one's bigger than this one. But, hey man, I really want to fix it, so it's just gonna have to be bigger. I'm debating on if I should add her jacket, but it's not a lot of details, and I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. So I'm just gonna grab her eyes. To be honest, it's kind of small, and I don't really want to add her eyes, so I don't have to if I don't want to. So I'm not going to. Also did not draw her eyelashes, but I kind of suck at drawing eyelashes, if I'm gonna be fully honest. So this is a 2B pencil, and I'm just gonna try to darken some parts, like her eyeliner. If I could also color in her hair. And I like to go around the edges of my drawings and just darken it, especially portraits. I just darken it. Ooh, I fucked that shit up. I'm trying to draw some bad stars around it. Okay, I'm cramping too much to draw some more, so I'll probably draw more later or paint, but I think I'm gonna chill for now. I'm not gonna lie, it is literally 5:21 the next day. My period is just beating me up. And also, I had such a weird thing happen to me this morning. I woke up at like 6 a.m. I was in pain. I took pain medications. I laid back down to go back to sleep. I don't know if these are fucking like hallucinations, but every time I would try to go to sleep and I'm falling, like I'm drifting away, I'd be like jump scared back awake because I was getting like a ringing in my ear that sounded like TV static. And it would go away when I was like fully awake, but the moment I started to like close my eyes or like drift off, it would come back. I don't know what the fuck that was about. So I just stayed up for like an hour and a half watching my friend stream. But I never had anything happen like that to me before. It was very weird. When I woke up this morning, actually before I went to bed, they told me that this wasn't gonna come until the 5th of February, and I was angry. We got the masking fluid, but I just didn't know what brand to get. I don't know what was a good brand, so I just got Winston & Newt. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else artsy today. I think I'm just gonna chill because my body, I just feels like I shouldn't be doing anything when I'm leaking my insides out, and I don't want to. And it feels bad to be like, I shouldn't do anything, but like I literally shouldn't. I feel like shit. Like I feel like shit. Like I just want to chill and play video games, and I don't think that there's anything wrong with just chilling and playing video games. I was supposed to stream today, which I don't think I'm going to, at least not on my main. But my boyfriend got me this capture card so that I can capture playing my Nintendo Switch that my boyfriend also got me. And you look at the my thumb grips. It's so cute. I wanted the cinnamon roll ones, but they wanted too much for shipping. But now I can have cam streams when I'm playing PlayStation. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. If you like this video, like this video. I don't know if you want to hang out again next Saturday. Subscribe. Next week's video is gonna be a Valentine's Day video, so I'm sorry if you're single. I will say that in this video and in that video, Valentine's Day is not only for significant others, it's not only for romantic partners or romantic relationships. Do something nice for your friend. Put that energy into your friends. Like if you want to make something, you're like, damn, I wish I had a Valentine. Make something really cute for your friends. Get a little basket of like your friends' favorite candies. Like, or if you don't have friends, you can make it for your family members. Shit, make it for yourself. Make yourself a nice cute little Valentine's DIY. Go on a nice little solo date. Yeah. I hope you have a good day, night, wherever you are, and I'll see you guys next time.